Hi everyone, I hope you are having a good day today and welcome back to Apple JR YouTube channel. On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you 2 methods to reset iPhone or iPad without Apple ID password. Trying to reset your iPhone or iPad to sell, or when you end up buying a used iDevice because you're on a budget and suddenly realize that you don't have or have forgotten Apple ID passcode. It can take away all hope of factory reset a locked iPhone or iPad. So is it possible to reset iPhone and iPad without Apple ID password? Yes, if you've forgotten your Apple ID password, you can also reset it using a professional reset method. So in this guide, I will walk you through several methods of how to factory reset iPhone without Apple ID password. First of all, please plug your iDevice to computer with USB cable. Solution 1. Use iMyFone Lock Wiper to reset your iDevice without Apple ID password. Please go to iMyFone Lock Wiper. With Lock Wiper, you can easily reset iPhone or iPad to factory settings in 10 minutes without Apple ID passcode, iTunes, and you can even delete the previous Apple ID account. Lock Wiper is available on Windows and Mac user. Please download and install Lock Wiper on your computer. After installing, launch the software on your computer. Choose the Unlock Apple ID mode and connect your iPhone or iPad to your computer. Click the Start to unlock to remove the Apple ID. Please wait for several minutes. Lock Wiper can unlock your Apple ID instantly. Once the process is complete, the Apple ID account won't be in the device anymore. But if you see notifications set up your device to complete unlocking process, please set up your device after it restart and follow the instruction to completely remove Apple ID from your device. If you don't see Unlock with Passcode option on Activation Lock page, you can click Contact Us, then send the feedback to Lock Wiper team to fix your issue. Please go back to your device. Then complete the setup on iPhone or iPad until you see a home screen. If you don't want to use iTunes with low success rate to reset your iPhone, then Lock Wiper is the best for you. No need for Apple ID password, lock screen passcode, 3 steps to reset, free download, and try it. Method 2. Restore your iPhone or iPad with iTunes. The iTunes method is efficient if Find My is not enabled in the device. iTunes needs to be the latest version. Next, follow our steps so that you don't make mistakes during the process. Open iTunes and restore your iPhone or iPad. Select your device when the device is detected as appearing in the iTunes bar and click Restore iPhone. Click Restore again to confirm your request, and your computer will factory restore iPhone or iPad with iTunes and install the latest iOS on the device. This action will erase all data and settings on your device, returning it to its factory defaults. This allows you to input a new device passcode. When prompted in the setup procedure, choose to configure the device as new. But if you don't want to use iTunes with low success rate to reset your iPhone, then Lock Wiper is the best for you. No need for Apple ID password, lock screen passcode, 3 steps to reset, free download, and try it. I really recommend you to use this tool. Easy to use, even beginner can use this tool. You can download Lock Wiper on description. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more update and see you on the next tutorial. Thank you.